quick walkthrough of quarter one, week 4. Let's go on to quarter 1. Hey, we're in unit 2. That's a new folder. Check that out. And week 4. So for this week, by the end of the week, you should be able to state that the definition of a linear function is a function that has a constant rate of change. Define what a rate of change is. Find the rate of change of the function if you're giving a graph or a table. Be able to tell if a function is linear or not if you're given either a graph or a table. And create a linear table. So of course there's the Phoenix flight, 3 quick questions right there. The notes will be in the bin like always in your respective quarter, by the front door in Central and by the conference room door in Gateway. So then we'll hop into lesson 1. Lesson 1 is this slideshow. Go ahead and flip through the slide. And there's a funny video here if you're interested about rates. I was entertained by that, and I think you will be too. So check it out. Practice 1 on that is real quick. What does it mean to be linear? Match some things with linear and nonlinear functions and explain why this blue is not linear function. All right, next lesson. For this one, we're talking about rate and slope of a graph. There's a little bit that you have to read here. Here's the important part here. What's the slope? How do you find it? Here are some examples. And then a little bit further down, don't forget about this video because these 2 examples are on your notes that you have to take, and also there's a few things on here that aren't part of these descriptions here. So moving on with that, you're just going to be finding the slope of these lines. Pretty straightforward. What is the slope of those lines? Slope formula misunderstandings. The slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. There are some things that people don't understand about it, and some things that are questions that come up over and over again. And these are questions that I address in there. And pretty much for this practice, there's just the 3 questions that I answer in that video. These come straight from the video. Just look at these questions first, and then look for the answers on the in the video. Rate of change from a table, pretty self-explanatory. Here's the video, and then here's the here's some examples beneath it. The practice is just that. Here are some tables. Now find the rate of change. Pretty simple. Okay, linear and nonlinear patterns of change. The important part here is this is going to talk about how to spot if it's linear or not on the on a table, and then here are some more examples of that. A couple, 2 linear, 2 nonlinear. And then don't forget about this video down here, because this is going to talk about how to complete a table so that it's linear. That's probably the hardest part of the week. So make sure to watch this, take good notes, and ask me if you have any questions. All right, good luck.